Namaste everyone. I am Anmol Kumar. Welcome in Yoga with Anmol Singh. Today we will practice Visvamitrasana. For Visvamitrasana, we need hip opening from pelvic and side stretching in hip opening, leg stretching, and little bit arms strength for make balance. So we check the alignment of Visvamitrasana. We practice how to improve our posture, and we check the variation of Visvamitrasana. Beginners how can practice, intermediate how can, and the final posture of Visvamitrasana. So take mat and sit down. We practice together, and if anybody want to learn online yoga class, you can contact with me. Here have one-to-one also and group class also, so you can enjoy which you want. Okay, so first open your leg. Try to buttock turn outside. First we practice leg opening, then we start our posture. We not take much time. First try to open leg open maximum. If possible, then try to leg come in one line. Little bit hold, then slowly you can improve your leg opening. Relax one time, then we start again. One more time open your leg and check how much you can open. If possible, then try to leg come in one line. Second time easily you can open. Then continue, come in side stretching. So go left side. Go left side without lift your right thighs. Inhale, center. Exhale, another side. This just for warm up, okay? Go down maximum. Inhale, center. Again go left side. Inhale, center. Last time right side. Inhale, center. Relax your leg and come in thunderbolt pose. Come in Vajrasana. Lift your body up. Open your left leg, left side. Toes out, hip push down. Push your hip down maximum. Drop your left palm under your left thighs. Then catch your left leg through the right hand. Lift your leg up. Knee try to back side of shoulder. First you hold here, then push your hip down and forward. Then slowly try to leg straight. Look up. Hold with count. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Second side also try the same posture. This is for beginners, okay? So toes have out, hip push down. Drop your palm under your thighs, then lift your leg up. Catch your leg through the opposite hand, and then leg try to straight back side of shoulder. Look up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your leg. Then open your both leg. Use your hip. Try to spine straight. Bend your both knee, toes outside for sumo squat. Look forward. Drop your both palm on your knee. Push your knee back as much as you can. Push your knee back. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop your left palm beside your left hand, forward side. Then open your right arms. Look up. Maintain here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center, maintain the position and continue other side. Stretch. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, center, both palm on floor. You can shake your leg straight, then shake your leg. Again, bend your both knee, toes out. Drop your left palm under your thighs, left thighs. You can bend your right knee. Second option is this, okay? First option, knee on floor, you already done. The second option, right knee bend, then catch your leg and slowly try to leg straight. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your leg. Second side, same position. First position, just lift your leg and can hold and slowly try to leg straight. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax your leg. Now first, both legs straight, shake your leg. Right leg continue straight, toes inside, left toes out and bend your left knee. Drop your left palm on floor, just forward side of left leg and open your arms. Upper shoulder back, look up, maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax this side, the second side, same position. Right toes out, left toes in. Then drop your right palm beside your right leg. Then open your arms, look up, upper shoulder back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Continue. Second side. Now come in final position. So check your position. If you can't lift your leg, put block under leg and then just hold this position. Okay, hip little bit up also okay. Second position, try to lift your leg up and then hold. Only hold this position. Hip try to push forward and hip come in center. Then slowly try to leg straight. You can look forward, you can look up also. Maintain. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. I can look up also, but upside have sun, so I can't. If you practice in home, then you can look up. Second side, same position, right palm on floor. First option can hold here. Second option, just try to use block under it. If possible, then lift your leg up and then slowly try to leg straight. Maintain. This side have more sun, so I can't look up. Okay, so continue, try how much you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. So Now you already see the three options. One is knee on floor, the second option is sumo squat, and then next is leg straight. If you can't do the normal position, you support with chair. Okay, put your leg on chair, then palm come on floor, and then full stretching. In next video I will share that. If you can't understand, there have many type of leg stretching. So if you